Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your Class 8 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our first chapter, playing with numbers, and today in this session we are going to discuss about the tests of divisibility. In Mathematics Basics, I have already provided you divisibility rules, that is 1 to 12 numbers I have given you. If you want to see, just go to the description box which is below this video. In description box, I am going to provide the link. So first watch that video and come back to this video. In class 8, we are going to discuss only some numbers. But in that video, I have showed you 1 to 12 numbers divisibility rules. Okay. So here what we are going to see extra today. Today we are going to see what is the rule behind it. Okay. What is the rule behind it? How we are going to say that one. Okay, let's see the first one. Divisibility by 10. We know that if its units digit is 0, then that number is divisible by 10. Let me take examples here. 10, 53, 60, 85. Observe these numbers and say which are the numbers divisible by 10. 10, this is divisible. 53, not divisible. 60, divisible. 85 not divisible. How I am saying that it is divisible by 10? By observing the units digit. If its units digit in the given number is 0, then it is divisible by 10. If its units digit is not 0, then it is not divisible by 10. Let us see what is the rule behind it. Okay. Suppose, let me consider a number. CBA. Observe here I have written ... It indicates this number is how many digits number we don't know. But last 3 digits I have written here. Okay. Last 3 digit. This is a 3 digit number. I have written with A, B, C. To understand this, you should know the place value. Observe here this is in A is in units place. B is in tens place, C is in hundreds place. Okay? Units, tens, hundreds place. Write this number in general form. Hundreds place, 100 into C, I write it as 100C. Plus, tens place, 10 into B, I write it as 10B plus units place 1 into A or A itself. Okay. Like this, if you take one more digit, 1000D, like that it comes, right? Suppose if we take any number of digits, we need to observe last digit. If the digits are increased, nothing to worry. What happens? It becomes 1000, 10,000 with a variable you are going to get. See, all these will be divisible by 10. How? 100, is it divisible by 10? 100 is it divisible? Yes, 10 tens are 100. And this 10 ones are 10. Coming to A, we need to talk about only A now. A is in units place. When we say the 3-digit number is divisible by 10, then this becomes 0. If this 3-digit number is not divisible, then it may be any other number. If we say it is divisible, then that A letter must be 0. These all will be divisible by 10, no problem. Then A must be equal to 0. In any number, we should observe the units digit. If it is 0, it is divisible by 10. If it is not 0, it is not divisible by 10. That's it. Okay, let me write the statement here. Any number is divisible by 10 when its ones or units digit is 0. When its ones digit is 0. Divisibility by 5. We know that when any number is divisible by 5 means the units place must be either 5 or 0. Yes or no? Either 5 or 0. Let us write here any number is divisible by 5 means when its ones digit must be 0 or 5. Ones digit must be 0 or 5. We know before. Okay, if any number, suppose let me take any number here, 15, 22, 30, 50. Observe here, 15 is it divisible by 5? Yes. 5 3s are 15. 22, it is not divisible. How you can see? By observing the units place. Units place, what is the digit you have? 2. 2 means it is not divisible by 5. And coming to 30, in units place you have 0, then it is divisible. And here 50, it is divisible. Observe the units place and say whether it is divisible by 5 or not. Then what is the rule behind this? Okay, let me take one example, same manner. Any number it might be, last 3 numbers I am considering here. C, B, A. A is in ones place or units place. B, tens place. C, hundreds place. Write in general form, 100C, 10B plus A. When we are talking about the number 5, 100C, 100 is divisible we are saying. How it is possible? 100 we can write it as 5 into 20. 5 into 20C if I write by 5, 5 cancel. Yes, it is divisible. Same manner, 10B you can split it as 5 into 2B. If you divide with 5, cancel. Yes, it is divisible by 5. And coming to A, ones place. We need to observe ones place. If the given number is divisible by 5 means A must be either 0 or 5. If the ones digit is either 0 or 5 only, then the number will be divisible by 5. Other than a 0 and 5 you have here, then that number is not divisible. Okay, when we split, we need to observe only this value. Okay, remaining all it will be divisible with 5 and 10 and all. We need to observe only this digit. Therefore, what must be A? Either 0 or 5. Any number is divisible by 5 when its ones digit must be 0 or 5. Then only it will be divisible, otherwise it is not divisible. In your textbook, you have try this box. In that one problem, let me solve. So let's see the first one here. If the division n divided by 5, n might be any number. If it is divided by 5, leaves a remainder of 3. So if this is divided with 5, it leaves a remainder 3. What might be the ones digit of n? And solution also given here. The ones digit when divided by 5 must leave a remainder of 3. So the ones digit must be. Okay, let us solve and find out that one. N, understand this concept here. N might be any number. If it is divided by 5, it is getting a remainder 3. First thing you need to observe here, the number is not exactly divisible by 5. If the number is exactly divisible by 5, it doesn't leave any remainder. Example, if I divide 10 by 5, 5 2s are 10, 0. There is no remainder. Right? So we need to find in numbers units digit when it is leaving a remainder 3. Try to understand. If it is 0, there is no remainder. This is not leaving a remainder 0 means then this ones digit you add with the remainder. Okay? We know that if any number is divisible by 5, then the ones digit must be either 0 or 5. Either 0 or 5. Okay? Now, leaving a remainder 3, no? Add for 0 this one. 0 plus 3, 3. Okay? And for this 5, again add the remainder. 5 plus 3 will be 8. Ones digit, either here ones digit, either it might be 3. If it is 3 means, suppose 13 you imagine. If you imagine 13, what happens? 5 2s are 10, 3 is the remainder. Okay. Suppose if you imagine here 8, 18, 5 3s are 15, 3 is remainder. So what is your question here? Find the ones digit of n. Therefore, ones digit of n is either 3 or 8. Is either 3 or 8. Here when it is divisible by 5, immediately don't say it is 0 and 5. Here there is a remainder 3. If there is a remainder 3, for 0 and 5 you add that 3 and say the number what you got. See, the ones digit of n is either 3 or 8. Similarly, let us see second one here. If the division n divided by 5 leaves a remainder 1, what might be the ones digit of n? Observe here, remainder 1. Remainder 1 means, we know if it is divisible by 5, 0 and 5. Right? For these two, add 1 and say 0 plus 1, 1 and 5 plus 1, 6. The ones digit of n is either 1 or 6. Okay, is this clear? Let's see third one also. If the division n divided by 5 leaves a remainder 4. Remainder is how much now? 4. What might be the ones digit of n? When it is divisible by 5, ones digit must be either 0 or 5. It is leaving a remainder 4 means that ones digit must be 0 plus 4, 4 and 5 plus 4, 9. It might be 4 or 9. Divisibility by 2. Same manner, we can write here any number is divisible by 2 when its ones digit. When its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. See here, many numbers you have. Ones digit must be 0 or 2 or 4 or 8 or 6. If its ones digit is any of these number, then we say that that number is divisible by 2. Let us take one example here. Let me take 2362. 23, is it divisible by 2? No. We need to observe units digit. Units digit must be among these digits. Do you have any of these digits? No. If the ones digit is either 2, 0, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible. Otherwise, it is not divisible. And let's see the next one, 62. Units digit is 2. Therefore, this is divisible by 2. Observe the last digit in a number. If that number is any one among these number, it is divisible. Right? Let us see a simple rule how it is splitted. Same manner, CBA. A is in units place, tens place, hundreds place. Split this. 100C plus 10B plus A. See, coming to divisibility of 2, 100 is divisible by 2. Yes or no? How? 2 50s are 100. Coming to 10, 2 5s are 10. Then what about A? If the number is divisible by 2 means, then this A must be any of these number. Okay? If it is not divisible, then any other number it will be. Therefore, what you can say? These all must be units digit. Okay? Any one only will be there, not all at a time. Right? A must be either 0 or a 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Is this clear? And one more thing you can say, by observing the last digit, we can say either they are odd numbers or even numbers. When it is divisible by 2, then those numbers are all even numbers. When it is not divisible by 2, those are all odd numbers. Okay, are you getting here? Divisible by 2 means even numbers. Not divisible by 2, odd numbers. After divisibility by 2, we have one more try this. Let us see those. First one in that, if the division n divided by 2, same manner, n divided by 2 leaves a remainder of 1. Remainder is equal to how much? 1. What might be the ones digit of n? When n is divided by 2. Again, let us try to understand. This is n. When it is divided by 2, it leaves a remainder 1. Suppose in your digits, if we say it is 0, if it is 0, there won't be any remainder. There is a remainder means if we add this 1, then the number is ending with 1. Ending with 1, which type of a number? It is a odd number. Now, in order to find ones digit, there with division of 5, we have only two options, 0 or 5. But here we have many numbers. So, let us start finding here. Units digit. Units digit we can guess by taking these all digits, adding with the remainder. 0 plus remainder is 1, and units digit if I take 2, add remainder 1, it might be 3, and take 4, add 1, it might be 5, take 6, add 1, 7, 8, add 1, it is 9. Units digit might be among these numbers. If it is 1, suppose let us take one example here. Let me take 1 if I take 2 5s are 10, 1 is the remainder. Suppose 13 if you take 2 6 are 12, 1 is the remainder. Then again 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 is the remainder. So, you have many options for this digit. To be divisible by 2 means you may have that units digit may be either 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9. Okay? It is divisible by 2 means immediately you should remember these all digits. Any remainder given? For remainder you go on adding all these digits. Okay, then the units digit might be those numbers. And try the second question. If the division n divided by 2 leaves no remainder. No remainder means 0 is a remainder, right? No remainder, then what might be the ones digit of n? There is no remainder when you divide. Then the units digit might be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If we divide these numbers, there won't be any remainder. Let's see the third one. Suppose that the division n divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 4. Leaves a remainder of 4 and the division n divided by 2 leaves a remainder of 1. See here, n divided by 5 leaves a remainder 4. And n divided by 2 leaves a remainder 1. What must be ones digit of n? There are two questions mixed and given here. No problem. when n is divided by 5. N is divided by 5, remainder is 4. Divided by 5 means you should remember that one. Okay, so ones digit is equal to 5. The ones digit might be either 0 or 5. Add remainder 0 plus 4 and 5 plus 4. That might be 4 or 9. When n is divided by 5, leaving a remainder 4 means that ones digit must be either 4 or 9. And in that one more question, and n is divided by 2, remainder is 1. Remainder is 1 means same manner what we have done before. Ones digit might be 0 plus 1, 1. Then in 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. 8 plus 1, 9. The ones digit might be 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. And for this ones digit might be 4 or 9. Separately we have seen like this, right? But suppose if both it is same number, it is dividing by 5 and dividing by 2 means what is its ones digit is your question. See here what are the numbers you can see? 4 and 9. There what you can see? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Among these two, which number is common? 9. Therefore, ones digit must be only one digit, that is 9. Separate questions 4 or 9, 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 you can say. But if the same number is divisible by 5 and divisible by 2. If it is divisible by 5, leaves 4 remainder, and the same number divisible by 2 leaves 1 remainder, means the number ends up with a digit 9. Divisibility by 9 and 3. So this is little different compared to these three, whereas for these three we are observing only ones digit. But for this, it is not possible by observing ones digit. Little different. Then what is that? How we can do this one? Suppose, let me take any number. Same manner, let me take CBA. C is in hundreds place, B is in tens place, A is in ones or units place. Okay? How can you say? 100C plus 10B plus A. Suppose if I take the first number 9. Let us check whether this is divisible by 9 or not. So how can I see this one? 100 is not divisible by 9, right? So let us remove one C. 100C I write it as 99C plus C. 10B, let us write it as 9B plus B plus A as it is. Now among these two, 9 is common. 9 11s are 99 11C plus B. 9 you have taken out common, right? Plus A plus B plus C. So here this is divisible by 9 is possible. Then what about this? We need to add the digits. If this is divisible by 9, then this will be divisible by 9. If this is not divisible by 9, then this is also not divisible by 9. So for divisibility rule of 9, what we need to do? We are going to sum the 3 digits. Suppose let me take any number here. Let me take 321, a 3-digit number I have taken. Add the digits. 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Is it divisible by 9? No, it is not divisible. So what we can say for divisibility rule of 9 and 3? See here, if any number is divisible by 9 when sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 9. Divisibility rule for 9, what we can say? Any number is divisible by 9 when sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Sum of the digits, is it divisible by 9? No, it is not divisible. Let me take another number, 324. If I take 324, sum the digits, 3 plus 2 plus 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4 will be 9. Yes, 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore, compulsory 324 is divisible by 9. If you want, you can check it out. Okay. Same rule applies for 3 also. Any number is divisible by 3. Here 9 there, right? 3 when sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Observe here rule 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, same manner, take any number, sum the digits, what you get answer. If that one is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. If it is not divisible, then the number is also not divisible. Okay, let us check it out. One more example here with the 3 letters C. 2, 5 I am taking here. Sum the digits. 2 plus 5 is 7. Is 7 divisible by 3? No. Therefore, 25 is also not divisible by 3. Let us check with the 27. Sum the digits. 2 plus 7, it will be 9. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 27 is also divisible by 3. Yes, 3 nines are 27. Yes, it's very simple to understand this. Divisibility by 3 and 9 is very simple. Sum the digits, what the answer you get, if that is divisible by 9 or 3, then the original number is also divisible by 9 or 3. Is this clear? In try this, you have some numbers. In the same manner, add the digits and see whether that number is divisible by 9 means then the given number is divisible. Not divisible by 9, this is also not divisible. Are you going to do those two? Try these boxes? Yes? Let's start with the exercise 1.2. First one, if 2, 1, y 5 is multiple of 9, where y is a digit, what is the value of y is your question. So, is a multiple of 9. Multiple of 9 means then this 4-digit number. See here, y value is not there, but it is a 4-digit number. That 4-digit number must be divisible by 9. Yes, if it is a multiple of 9 means it might be divisible by 9 also. We have seen till now divisibility rules, right? If it is divisible by 9 means when it is a multiple of a 9, it can be divisible, right? So now, how can we find this one? What is the divisibility rules for 9? Sum of the digits, what the number you get, that number should be divisible by 9. Yes, sum of the digits and see that number is divisible by 9 or not. So, 9 or not means what might be the total? Let us write here. What are all the possibilities of the total? It might be 0, 9, 18, 27, so on we can check. But it is a single digit number, so I think this much is enough. Now, take the 4-digit number 2, 1, y 5. Sum of the digits might be any of the number. Okay, then only it is divisible by 9 or multiple of 9 you can say. Now sum the digits. 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5. How much it will be? Add the numbers. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5 will be 8 plus y. Now this 8 plus y Go on equating with these numbers and you can get the y value. Let us start equating the total with 0. Can you add any number with 8? Do you get 0? 8 plus y is equal to 0. Is it possible? Think a little. For 8, if you add anything to get 0? No. We can't get 0. If we add anything, other number we get, but we won't get 0, right? So this is wrong. So let us go for the next trial. 8 plus y is equal to 9. For 8, what number you add to get 9? 8 plus 1, right? 8 plus 1 will give you 9. That means, see here, the total might be 9 and that 9 is a multiple of 9. So what is this 4-digit number? Here, y value is 1. Therefore, y value is 1. If y value is 1 only, it is a multiple of 9. The 4-digit number will be 2115 is the 4-digit number. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is a multiple of 9. Is this clear? Multiple of a 9 means it will be divisible by 9. So we need to check in this way these options. First, try to add all the digits. Try to equate to 0, not got. Equate to 9, we got. Therefore, what is your y value? Therefore, y value is 1. Second one, same manner. If 31z5 is multiple of 9, where z is a digit, find the value of z. So, if it is a multiple of 9, what are all the numbers you should remember? The total of these digits must be either 0, 9, 18, 27, so on. Just keep that numbers in your mind and start doing this. 31z5 is a 4-digit number. Add the numbers by using divisibility rules. Do you remember when we can say it is divisible by 9? When sum of the digits, the total, if it is divisible by 9 or if it is multiple by 9, then this 4-digit number is divisible by 9. Let us add the digits. 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus z. Okay. Now this total, what you got? 9 plus z. Start equating with the 0. 9 plus z. You cannot get 0, right? So I cannot choose this. Let me go for the next one. 9 plus z is equal to 9. 9 plus anything, do you get 9? Yes. 9 plus 0, I get 9. Therefore, z is equal to 0. And what is a 4-digit number? The 4-digit number is 3105. Is your answer completed? No. Let us check another number here. Let us check another number. Don't feel that your problem is ended. Let us go for other number. Total 9 plus z is equal to 18. For 9, what you add to get a total 18? 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay, z might be 9 also. There is a chance that the z might be 0 or 9. So what you can say here? Therefore, z is also equal to 9. Therefore, the 4-digit number is 3195. What is the value of z they asked? Therefore, z equal to 0 or z is equal to 9. You have two chances. Okay, therefore the value of z is either 0 or 9. Third one, if 24x is a multiple of 3, where x is a digit, what is the value of x? And you have something in bracket. Since 24x is a multiple of 3, its sum of digits 6 plus x is multiple of 3, so 6 plus x is one of these numbers 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. But since x is a digit, it can only be that 6 plus x is equal to 6 or 9 or 12 or 15. Therefore, x is equal to 0 or 3 or 6 or 9. Thus, x can have 4 different values. I think answer is already given here. Answer already given, but anyhow, let us find out. So, let the number be a 3-digit number. What is that? 2, 4, x. It is a multiple of 3. Now you remember divisibility rules of 3. When any number is divisible by 3 means the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. So what are all the chances you can expect here? 3 table 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on. Okay. Now these numbers we can guess. First, let us add the digits 2 plus 4 plus x. That will be 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus x. Okay. The sum might be any of these numbers. Let us start equating with 0. 6 plus x is equal to 0. If you add anything to 6, do you get 0? No, I won't consider this. Next number, 6 plus x is equal to 3. Do you get? No, 3 is smaller. So, I cannot add 6 to any number, I won't get 3. So, if I add any number to 6, I won't get 3. This is also wrong. So, let us move to the next number. 6 plus x is equal to 6. Yes, 6 plus 0 equal to 6. I can say x is equal to 0. But don't stop here. Let me go with the next number. 6 plus x is equal to 9. 6 plus, how much you add to get 9? 3, right? 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Yes, I can say x is equal to 3. And now next, let me go with the next number. 6 plus x is equal to 12. What you add to get 12? Again 6 we need to add. Therefore, I can say x is also equal to 6. And let's go to the next number. 6 plus x is equal to 15. What you add to get 15? 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. So here I may expect and 9. Another number, if you want, you can check it out. That is 18. 6 plus x is equal to 18. What you add to 6, you get 18. 12. But x cannot be 2-digit number. X is a single digit, a-digit number. Okay. Therefore, I cannot go with this value. Therefore, what is your final answer here? X may be 0, 3 or 6 or 9. You can expect any of the 3-digit numbers here. In the place of x, substitute those numbers 240 or 243 or 246 or 249. Any of these numbers we can expect there. Okay, these are all the multiples of 3. They are divisible by 3, so we can say they are multiples of 3. Fourth one, if 3, 1, z, 5 is a multiple of 3, z is a digit, what is the value of z is your question. Same manner, here multiple of 3. So go for the divisibility of 3 rules. Multiple of 3 set. So what you need to guess here? 0, 3, multiples of 3. So on. Okay, these numbers keep in your mind. And now add the digits. It is a 4-digit number. Add the digits 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus z. Now start equating these values. 9 plus z is equal to 0. Do you get? No, we won't get. Next, 9 plus z is equal to 3. Do you get? No, it is a smaller number. I can't get if I add. 9 plus z is equal to 6. Do you get? No. 9 plus, let's see the next number. 9 plus z is equal to 9. Yes, there is a chance when for 9 if you add 0, you may get 9. Right? So therefore, z may be 0, or let us take with the another number. 9 plus z is equal to 12. Okay. For 9, what you add to get 12? 3, right? 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Therefore, z is equal to 3. Okay. And next, I am going to take the next number. 9 plus z is equal to 15. For 9, what you add to get 15? 6, right? 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So I can see the value of z is also 6. And then move to the next number. 9 plus z is equal to 18. 9 plus what number you add to get 18? 9, right? 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. I have a chance for 9 also here. Okay. Now, next number. What is your next number? 21. Do you get 21 if you add for 9? No, it will be again, it becomes 2-digit number. But z is a single digit number. So I will stop here and I can say that the z value might be either 0 or z equal to 3 or z equal to 6 or z is equal to 9. These are your answers. And you can guess the numbers. What are the numbers? The numbers might be 3105 or 3135 or 3165, 3195. These are all the numbers which are multiples of 3. But in your textbook, they asked only the digits. What might be the z value of the digit? So this much is enough. But to understand, you can understand with numbers also. Okay. With this, we are going to complete this exercise 1.2. Not only exercise, first chapter playing with numbers is completed. Only understanding mathematics is not enough. Everyday practice is important. If you practice at least once or twice, you will be perfect. Right? With this, first chapter is completed. We are going to end this session now. In our next session, we are going to meet with another new chapter. Until then, keep watching. Thank you all.